Guys, welcome to another vlog. If you guys were at Toronto Auto Show, you guys must have seen the BMW section. It was absolutely crazy. You've seen the new M5 Touring, but it's not just at the auto show anymore. We got one right here at Art of Motion. Let's get it, baby. Brand new. Yeah. Holy bro, this color looks nuts. Yeah. It wasn't sunny this morning, so. Wow, this thing feels good. First time I'm sitting in this.
Unlock this.
Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I know. Wow. Oh, this has a whole crystal thing like that 7 Series.
Yeah.
Does it?
Yeah, it's all the crystal.
Oh yeah, from this angle. Yeah.
This thing is sick, bro.
Close your door.
Is that automatic closing doors or what? I don't know.
Here, close it. Maybe it has soft close.
You see the M lighting that goes around?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Done. Yo, this thing sounds sick.
It's got a nice sound.
Yeah, that's
Bro, when I started it, it was only in the hybrid mode.
Yeah, and then it went into the gas.
Wow.
What's under the hood, bro? The same M5 motor?
So it has M hybrid mode.
That's where it got quieter when you left it.
Yeah, M2 is louder,
Yeah.
but it's just started, right? 51 kilometers.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, is that the fuel range or is
No.
that the actual
Yeah.
odometer, bro?
Steering wheel sick, the bolstering on it?
Yeah, bro, it just feels so nice. Like, it's nice and fat. Even the M logo now, it's 3D.
Yeah. Did
See
it change
that?
up the coloring again?
No, the color is still the same, but like it's 3D now. Like it's an actual emblem. Like it's not like that. Yeah. Sheesh, I want one of these, bro. Oh, man. Motor's huge.
But take in, like, all this was gushing and cool. Like,
All that, I know. Bro, you got 800 plus horsepower. You need cooling. Oh, these fucking drilled it? The fuck up. Would they drill that? We could have got him that slip-on plate.
Yeah.
So you took off the plate bracket?
Yeah,
Wow.
there's 3. There's one there, there's one all the dead center and just the thing.
Imagine what the competition's gonna be with all the carbon.
Have they released the competition one yet?
Pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, all this would be carbon. They would probably have carbon bracing inside. Wow, this color is actually so nice. Darker, but it has that crazy purple blue metallic in it. It's that Lamborghini color. Grigio, whatever, something. Okay, ready to move that? Bring that in. Start rocking it out. That was literally just a tap. Imagine this actually going into like the high revs. I think it's 830 stock. And the competition, I don't know what it is, but I don't know. Bro, this is insane, the ducting in this thing. It's like air duct here, air duct there, air duct there. Like every hole is a vent to go somewhere else.
Do you think it's a little too big?
No, but it needs it. It needs the cooling. There's so many vents. Like the main 2 big holes, like these ones here are going to the brakes, right? To cool off the brakes. You have obviously your radiator, your air conditioner, your AC condenser, oil charge coolers in the bottom. Then there's like more coolers on the side. I don't know which one's which, but there's another cooler in there. The cooler on the other side. Everything is getting airflow. It needs it. You have a car 800 horsepower?
What I was thinking, why was it like you have a rock that goes straight through?
It's gonna happen.
So it's gonna happen.
Yeah. They have these little covers, but like I'm sure people are gonna be going through it. Yeah, 427 is it's the worst highway. It is. Yeah, like it's nuts, bro. Like you just drive when there's no cars, you can hear flying on your car. Like, I don't know. Brand new 2025 M5 Touring. we are doing full body PPF. We're gonna be doing a 5-year ceramic coating on the full exterior. We're doing 35% tints all the way around. The customer didn't want to tint it at first, and then I convinced him because, like, again, you don't want to be dealing with the heat and a fishbowl and then, you know, getting distracted driving. You don't want none of that. So it needs it, yeah. And it transforms the way the car looks, right? So if you had like a red interior, like that crazy brown, I'd say, okay, maybe leave it, but it's black. So just, you're gonna get a lot of heat in there. So doing 35%, 5-year ceramic coating on the full exterior, wheels off package. So faces, barrels, calipers are gonna get done too. We're doing a kill switch, interior PPF. Is there anything else on this? I think that's it.
Anything in black though?
No, everything else is already black on this. So the same customer with the X7, this is her husband.
Yep.
So her car is on the other side. We're doing ceramic coating on it. So hopefully we can get it done quickly and we can deliver both cars at the same time. I think it would be dope. We were gonna do stealth, and then he said, you know what, let's just keep one gloss, one stealth. And I think that's a good idea too, because this paint, with how beautiful that color is, especially after you see, once we polish this thing, it's gonna look so good. You're gonna see the colors really pop. I think with the clear, it's gonna just, it'll show more. With the satin, you'll lose that.
And everything else is, everything on this car is gloss.
Everything on this is gloss, yeah. So all the gloss black is gonna get done in clear, and then all the paint is gonna be done in clear as well. Headlights, you know, the full works. We're doing it all. X7, this is the same customer, like I said, on the other side with the M5. As you see here, the full body stealth conversion is completed. We were waiting on the customer to see if she wanted to do like some crazy M design on this vehicle. She saw some inspiration on like the M performance cars, some race cars, when she thought she'd get implemented on the car. But honestly, like I said, like it's an SUV. I don't think it'll look good. At max, maybe put some M stripes at the bottom, like the lower rocker, or like somewhere here. I was saying follow this body line. We did some renders, she didn't like it, and then she sent me some crazy one that goes like all over, and then we showed on the truck, she's like, no, I don't like it. So now we're just gonna do something simple, just on the grill. We're gonna do the M colors right here.
Just the stripe.
Yeah, just the stripes, 1, 2, 3. See if she likes it, and then if not, she can always remove it, right? So that's why we didn't ceramic coat it, we were just waiting. But now she's like, yeah, don't worry, let's just ceramic coat it. We'll figure that out later. So we're gonna do that now. And then, you know, the car will cure for a couple of days. And like I said, if we finish the other one, we'll deliver them both. So, as you can see, it's a special project that's under this cover. A lot of people were coming in and they were seeing what the color of the car was. So when this cover came in, we had already ordered this because I was actually going to deliver the Tesla Cybertruck with this cover, and they just came a couple days after we got the truck delivered, which it is what it is. So I thought, you know what, it'd be perfect for us to put it on this car for now to cover it up.
Yeah, because you
but
can see it right as you walk in.
Yeah, now at least with our customers, we're going to start revealing the cars with the car cover. It gives, you know, a better feel. It's more, I don't know, how do you say it? It's more, yeah, it's more fun. It's more suspenseful. And
I'm surprised it's got weight to it. Like I thought it'd be
oh,
very
yeah.
light, but no.
No, it's still like a very heavy cloth. But once you pull it from the back, like it just starts sliding.
And it shows the body line super well.
It does. Like it's because I guess the weight of the material too. It's sitting on it really nice, you know. But I'm super impressed with the quality.
You said where did this come from?
The Netherlands. Yeah. But like, look at that, bro. This feels like some crazy like Dior or some shit. It is crazy.
Yeah, like it's not like a bed sheet.
It's actually very heavy. When you pull it, show them. Some people saw the color being teased in parts of my stories and in one of our videos recently.
But you have to have an eye for it.
You have to have an eye for it, and that means if you're actually watching, you saw what this color is already. But that shows who's actually watching. That's just the front bumper?
This is a half wall.
Oh my gosh. A lot of pieces, eh? Wow, look at that. This is just like the gloss black pieces. See, that's what like customers don't understand, like how much work it actually is. That front bumper, if you look at it, obviously it's very aggressive, but now all the gloss pieces, all these pieces, all of these all are getting done, but they're individual pieces, all small, tiny pieces. Yeah, in here, in here, in here. Yeah, because like, you know, your typical front end PPF doesn't include all that, right? So we actually go the extra mile and always do every piece, because why protect this and then this looks like crap? It doesn't make sense. But yeah, like that's half left. I don't know if you can even see on camera, but that's a lot.
Yeah, you can.
That's a lot. And that's just the black pieces here, not on the rest of the car.
Were the headlights on this being PPF as well?
Of course, yeah, 100%. They're already done, I think. You right? Yeah, they're already done.
Because I realized these lights are like, along with everything else.
Buddy, those headlights are probably like $8,000 each.
Yeah. Or those aren't the lasers.
They is it?
I know. Well, I know that.
No, usually it has that blue.
Or I think BMW laser on the side.
Maybe, I don't know.
LED.
No, it's LED. Yeah, this one has the laser.
Because yeah, like you said, it had that.
Yeah, this has a whole crystal, bro. I don't even know what this light would be.
Is this the only BMW vehicle that has lights like this?
No, the other 7 Series we did.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But for SUVs.
SUVs, yeah. Let's go see our other BMW. See, I'm wearing the hat today. Oh, they moved it. I was like, yo, where'd it go? My car's gone. Yeah, might as well. Holy, bro, it looks so dusty. All winter is sat outside. This was mint when you polished it. Do you think it's probably faded out now? No.
Who knows?
Shit. Remember that one vlog we were washing it?
Yeah, it was pristine.
All right, well, let's wash it. It's for sale, guys. I'm gonna sell it. No point. Too many cars, man. But yeah, the M5 is nearing completion. Full body PPF, all the painted portions, all the plastic portions. It was insane. Like, this is the first, so these are the G90 and the G99, I think is what they call this, with the G99. Yeah, it's with for the touring. Bro, the front bumper, like, come, I'll show you this. The front bumper took the entire day to do, and not meaning this part, the black. Like, the bumper was obviously one piece, but the black pieces, like every single one of these pieces, don't worry about the watermarks because it's obviously spraying water all over it. Every single one of these pieces have been covered. Like, you see the PPF, like everything, even the sensors, like the camera, bro, everything. And like, you're going into intricate pieces in here. Bro, this one section here, I think was over 50 pieces.
And it doesn't look like initially that complicated.
It doesn't, but yeah,
then
when
you get
we
into
printed it, it was like, ah, shit, what do we get ourselves into?
Yeah, like the sheets, it was like half a sheet was just for one small area.
Yeah. So that took a lot of time.
It's also just a very long car.
The hood's done. He has to just come in here and do his thing, trim in there.
Isn't
Put
that
it back.
yeah.
It depends. Some of them, like if you're able to, we will. Like if there's a kit, but if it's something where it's too intricate, then obviously we'll leave it because you'll see like the line around it with like the embossedness of it, I guess. But yeah, so the PPF is almost done. We're gonna be doing the ceramic coating on it, I think on Tuesday. So Monday we're gonna finish the front bump, the back bumper, and something else. I think it was a back bumper and 2 doors, but you can't even tell like what's done because the PPF is like invisible. Like,
And then if this did go to the matte PPF, how do you think it would look compared to the gloss?
I think it would have looked crazy. I told him like match the wife. The wife truck's right behind you. Like spin the camera back. Look at that. Like she's getting her delivery today. That looks absolutely insane. That's the Brooklyn gray, which honestly, when you turn it to stealth, it just looks like a frosted like battleship gray, which I love that color. It's so nice. The only thing is, if you went stealth with this, I think you would have lost that metallic look, right? Like that beautiful purple blue shimmer that this thing does in the sunlight. I don't think it would be there with the stealth. So I don't know. It's okay. He wanted one gloss, one stealth. I mean, there's still 2 badass trucks a truck and a wagon on the driveway. Like it's a dope combination, right? I can't wait to see what the touring competition is gonna be.
Yeah.
Because it's not the competition.
That would just have more what carbon fiber and whatnot.
Yeah, I think more carbon, more aero, probably a wider stance, like different wheels, obviously, and maybe more power. I don't know what they're gonna do with the competition.
This is already pushing what? You said 8 something.
8 something, 830 or something. It's stock. But yeah, it's such a dope vehicle. Can't wait to finish this project and show you guys once it's done.